Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I have inside this cute little pouch. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. Believe it or not, it's almost time for back to school. So to make sure you're prepared, I'm going to show you how to create a back to school emergency kit. School can be tough enough, so why not be prepared for the little things that can happen throughout the day? Here are some pouches that you can use. This one is really cute. You open it this way. So just place it on your desk or whatever surface, and then it opens up like that. Or you can use this toiletry kit. I like how it's clear on both sides. It's spacious but not too big. And then there's this one. It has dual sides and you can unzip this just like that. But today I will be using this cute little teddy bear pouch. You can use whatever pouch you have on hand. You could even use a Ziploc bag. So I have different categories that I like to put in this little pouch. Hair items, just in case our hair starts looking like a hot mess throughout the day. Makeup, nothing crazy, just basics for a quick touch-up. Hygiene, because we're not trying to smell funky at school, especially after gym class. Medication, obviously make sure you carry what's allowed by your school and take as directed. Nails, because why does a nail always break at the worst possible time? Money, always good to have a little cash on you just in case you need to go to the vending machine or buy lunch. And miscellaneous items, so things like extra socks or underwear. And of course, feminine products. Now let me show you what I have inside. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. Let me fold this down. First item I have is this tiny native deodorant. This is really cute. It's aluminum free and it smells like eucalyptus and mint. And next I have this little baggie full of floss. Floss is always good to have in your kit just in case you have something in your teeth. And then I have another little baggie, and in here I have a couple of powdered face wash just in case, especially after gym class, you're all sweaty. And if you break out easily or acne prone, you may want to wash your face. And then I have a tiny little perfume, nail glue just in case you or a friend has a nail that pops off, and a nail file, and also a nail cutter. And this is the Mr. Green nail cutter. There's a nail file on this side, and then that's the nail cutter. So there's that. And then I have a No Shinku hand sanitizer. This is refillable. This one smells like lavender. Always good to have some hand sanitizer on you at school because some of the surfaces are nasty, okay? So it's a fine mist and it smells really good. Next is lotion, just in case your hands are dry. This one is Gold Bond. It's really thick and moisturizing, and it absorbs really well into the skin and it's not greasy. Next, I have this Tower 28 spray. It's essentially a hypochlorous acid spray, so it's good for red, irritated skin, or if your face feels dry. This is what it looks like. You may want to hold this a few inches away from your face because it does come out strong. This feels so good on the skin, especially if you need a little refresh throughout the day. And then I have a pack of tissues. These are really cute. I get them from Miniso, but I will link similar ones for you guys, and this is what it looks like. So just in case you or a friend needs tissue, this is good to have. And then I have a hair tie and these little cute clips. I have a Hello Kitty one and then a couple of hair ties. It's always good to have hair ties on you, especially if you have long hair and you just want to pull your hair back. And then I have this little baggie, and in here I have Tylenol. I have one in here, but you could put a couple more. Alcohol prep pad. This is good for first aid. And also if you feel a little nauseous, just open it up and sniff it, and that should do the trick. Then I have different size Band-Aids in here, Q-tips, just in case you want to clean your ears out, and then a couple of cough drops, so Ricola and throat coat. So that's just a little basic first aid kit. You could put ointments in here. It's good to have this on hand. You don't have to go all the way down to the nurse's office just to get a Band-Aid. And then I have this other baggie, and there's tons of goodies in here. A makeup remover wipe, a towelette disc, just in case you need to wipe your face. All you do is add water to this, and it expands into a little towel. A baby wipe, good for sensitive skin. A travel alcohol wipe. This is good to wipe your hands or sanitize any surface. And then I have 2 deodorant wipes. So this is good to give to a friend. This is for you. Don't share this. Give these instead. They're more sanitary. These smell like lavender. And I have a nail polish remover pad. Hero patches. These are pimple patches. These are hydrocolloid patches, so they're good to get all that junk out of a pimple, help protect your skin. So great to have in your kit just in case you get an unexpected pimple. And then I have a shout wipe just in case you get a stain. Simply mints. These are good. There's a couple of mints in there, and then these Purell single hand sanitizers. So that is everything in this pouch. And then I have a Joyride candy. Who doesn't like to snack throughout the day? An Ultima pink lemon packet. This is good if you need electrolytes in your water, and it tastes so good. This is a travel mouthwash, just in case you want to freshen your breath. And in here, I have a chapstick. This is a Burt's Bees chapstick. You could also pack a Tower 28 lip gloss, a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, or a Summer Fridays lip balm. And then I have a little baggie of cash and coins. Great for the vending machine or if you need to buy lunch. And then I have a mirror, and this is from Muji. It has a little sleeve, and I like how slim it is. I have this cute comb. Isn't it adorable? Always good to have some type of comb or brush on you. And then I have blotting sheets for my oily girlies. All you do is take one, and then you blot it on your nose. So if you don't want to be a shiny queen all day, you can just use these. Last 2 items that are in here, I have this little glass jar of hair oil. I actually need to refill this. In here I have some and honey oil, and I just squeeze a few pumps inside. And then all you do is squeeze the top and then put some in your hand. And then you can just apply it to your ends. That way your hair is not frizzy. And this smells really good. So that's great to have on hand. And last item I have in here is a pen. It's cute, really tiny. It comes with refillables, and all you do is push it down, and then you have yourself a pen. And in this pouch, there's a little slip pocket here. And in here, I have a disposable toothbrush. You could also use the Colgate Wisps. And then I have a poopery, just in case you're doing your business in the restroom. You don't want people to go in there like, oh, what is that smell? You want them to be like, oh my gosh, what is that smell? But yeah, this smells like Christmas. This is Balsam Bum. It's a seasonal scent, but poopery makes a lot of different scents. This is my favorite. And then a tampon, just in case. You can put different sizes. What's your flow like? Is the Red Sea going crazy? Do you need a super plus? If you don't use tampons, just make sure you have panty liners or pads. And then this is a doggy poop bag. You can use this doggy poop bag to dispose your tampon. You always want to be discreet about it. If you have a pad, you can just use the wrapper. Okay, so here's how to properly dispose your pads. So let's say you have a used pad, roll it up, okay? And then use the wrapper from your new pad and just wrap it up. Put it in there just like that and then throw it away. Let's say you don't have the wrapper, you can just put it in the doggy poop bag. Boom. Roll it up, throw it in the trash. And that also helps contain a little bit of the smell, or you can just spray your poopery. And then I have hand soap. These are soap sheets. This is what it looks like. Just make sure you're not reaching in here with wet hands. So dry hands, take a sheet, and then all you do is add water, rub your hands together. It gives you a really great lather, and then rinse the soap off. And then I have a portable charger in here. This will not last all day. This is just an emergency charge. And then a seat protector. Here are some other options as well. These are seat covers, but there's multiple in here. That way, if a friend needs one, you can just hand this to her. And this is what it looks like. And then this restroom kit, this has a seat cover, toilet paper, and a tush wipe. So you have a few options there, but always good to have that just in case. And then last item in here are some emergency panties. These are a clean pair, always good to have. You never know when you're going to need it. And listen, dudes can carry these items too. If you want to be a hero for the girlies, keep a couple of pads and tampons in your backpack. And then for yourself, you can add dude wipes, extra socks, and whatever else you think you might need. So let's say you wanted to use a bigger pouch. You could add bigger items. So wipes, these are water wipes. Let's say you want a full-size lotion, some perfume, and then everything else that you packed in the other pouch. So you can obviously fit a lot more in here. And let's say for emergency panties, you don't want to bring just one pair. You could bring an emergency panties kit. This one is from Amazon. And in here it has a clean pair of underwear, a wipe, and panty liner. But I made my own. So it has a panty liner, a brand new underwear, and then a wipe. And if you use tampons, you can put that in here, or you can put a pad. I prefer to make my own. That way I could put a brand new underwear, the type of pad or tampon that I like to use. And you can give this to a friend just in case they need it. And there you go. You have a little emergency kit and you're ready for those unexpected moments at school. Remember to be respectful to each other. Don't be rude. Be a good person. You never know what somebody else might be going through. Sometimes something simple as having an extra pad, hair tie, deodorant, or even a little bit of kindness can make someone's day. Have the best school year, be safe, and have fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!